Hi children, good morning. Welcome to our next class. We have completed block 1 and block 2. What is there? What you are going to learn? We'll see by doing a small activity. What I am going to show you, just identify and tell me the names of that. You see this? You are very familiar with this. What is there inside? What might be inside this bottle? Yes, you are right. It is oil. And see this bottle, what we have inside this, you are able to see. This is a transparent bottle. Yes, you are. This is also oil. From where do we get these oils? We get oil from seeds, right? So we are getting oils from seeds. Okay, so before knowing your concept, you go to your kitchen and collect different types of seeds and try to divide them. You'd separate those seeds which you are collecting from your kitchen. There won't be all the seeds of same varieties in your kitchen, like green gram, black gram, groundnuts, peas, chana, so many varieties, pulses, many varieties will be in your kitchen room. So different seeds you collect and try to divide them based on any property. Some seeds will cook, some seeds directly can eat, and what purpose those seeds are using. Based on their uses, you separate them. Understood what activity you are going to do? Your activity is collect different seeds from your kitchen and separate them based on their uses. Here I'll show you some seeds even I too collected from my kitchen and I divided them based on their use. Now I'll show you some seeds. You try to identify those seeds, children. Which seed is it? This is badam. And dry fruits along with badam. What is the other seed we use in our sweets? Yes, that is almond. So almond and badam are what purpose we are using them? What purpose almond and badam are used? They are very good for our health. They'll give glowing skin and they'll increase our memory power. So we are also making oils from this almond. We can make oil from the almond. And now you try to identify these seeds. What seeds these are? I'll show you. Which seeds these are? Coriander seeds. They are coriander seeds. And one more I'll show you. Which seeds these are? These all the seeds are available in your kitchen. After the class, you collect all these seeds and identify based on their uses. So can you identify which seeds these are? I'll show you. Try to identify the seeds. They are cumin. Which seeds they are? Cumin. We use them as spices. They will add extra flavor to our food. They give more taste to the food. That's why we will add cumin and coriander in our food. Now you see which seeds these are. Which seeds these are. All these seeds are available in your home. Very small seeds. Every curry we will add these seeds. They are nothing but mustard seeds, right? So mustard seeds, and identify these seeds. These are are very familiar to you. And chutneys, dosa chutney, idli chutney will make with this. Yes, you are right. They are groundnut. They are groundnuts. So groundnut and mustard we are using for making oils. We get oil from these seeds. And try to identify these seeds. They are pulses, dal it is. So your dal and pulses, dal used as pulses. And rice, right now I'm not showing the rice seeds to you. So rice will use as grains. So are we eating all these seeds, children? Yes. So we can call them as edible seeds. So today's topic is edible seeds. And we are also going to see what is the role of seeds in a plant, what role the seeds are taking. Before class, you had seen what are the functions of leaf, how it's taking the importance in any plant. About the leaves you learned. And today you will learn about the role of seeds. Edible seeds and also the role of seeds. You had seen different edible seeds just now and what purpose they are using you understood, right? Your almond, mustard, groundnut, these all the seeds we are using them as oil seeds. And coriander, cumin we are using as spices to add extra flavor to the food. And dals, green gram, Bengal gram, black gram, these all dals gives us, we are using as pulses. Can we eat these grains and pulses without cooking? We cannot. So these seeds must cook before eating. Is there any seeds can we eat directly? Raw seeds are we eating? Yes. Our banana and guava. These fruits have seeds inside them along with the seed we are eating. So raw seeds we are eating in these fruits. Okay. Now what happens if we keep these seeds inside the soil? That process only known as sowing. When we keep the seeds in the soil, what happens we'll see now. You do one small activity. Here also you take any type of seeds. Better to take methi seeds or coriander seeds. Methi seeds will give the baby plant very quickly. Sprouts many people will use as breakfast because they are very rich with proteins and proteins are important for growing children. Ask your mom to prepare the sprouts for you and you observe the process when she is preparing the sprouts. What activity I told you with cotton, same process she will follow while preparing the sprouts. She will take a clean cloth, white color cloth. She has to soak the seeds, whichever sprouts she is going to prepare. Sprouts can be prepared from black gram, Bengal gram, groundnuts, peas. These all we can use to prepare the sprouts. After taking those grains, she need to dip in the water for whole night. The next day morning, she should remove the seeds and put it inside a white cloth and she has to tie it. Later, after 2 to 3 hours, she should open and let the air to pass. In the same way, in this experiment also, you are taking cotton and adding the seeds. covering with soil and keeping outside to let the air and sunlight to reach the seeds. So what all you are supplying to the seeds here? You are supplying water. You sprinkle water on the seeds. So you are supplying water. You added the soil. So you are supplying soil to the seeds. And you kept this apparatus full outside. This activity set up completely you arranged outside. That means you are also giving air. You are allowing air to pass through these seeds. So you are given water, soil, air. And then what might happen after 2 days? After 2 to 3 days, what can you observe from this? Yes, you can see some small sapling. At a time, sapling will not come. There are different stages before a sapling or a baby plant to come like this. When you sow the seed, when you sow this seed in soil, this seed is using all these materials, whatever you are giving, and from this seed, this baby plant arises. All of a sudden, directly the baby plant will not come. There are different stages. So those stages we'll see how and when this baby plant arises. So you are going to do two activities in this topic, children. One is collecting the seeds and separating them based on their uses. And the second one is you are allowing the baby plants to grow by sowing the seeds, any type of seeds on cotton. So both the activities you are going to do it, right? So now what are the stages from a seed to a baby plant? This process only known as germination. This you are going to learn in higher classes, the word about germination. Now you understand from the seed how a baby plant comes out. This is the first stage. In first stage, you can see only seed. You are sowing the seed. Sowing means it's a scientific term. These all you will learn in coming classes. Your sowing means just keeping the seed inside the soil. That is the first stage. So normal seed it is. And then in second stage, you can see the roots develop. First roots comes out from the seed. When you supply all this, just now we discussed, right? It needs water, it needs soil, and it also needs air. When you supply all these three, then only it can give rise to the roots first. First, which part comes out? The roots are coming out. Which parts are coming out? The roots comes out when you supply the required materials. Among these three, if any material is not there, the seed cannot give rise to the roots. And in third stage, these are only sprouts. Third stage only known as sprouts. Clearly you observe the sprouts which you are going to prepare as a part of activity. I told you to prepare the sprouts and you can see a white color part first coming out. After the roots, a small, see in this baby plant which I am showing, these are the roots. So the roots gets developed first inside the soil. This you cannot observe. After roots getting developed, then this white color part comes out. Whenever the white part is coming out, that stage is only known as sprouts. Those are only calling as sprouts. So here the white color part comes. This is nothing but your stem. And before class, you learned the parts of a plant. So you know where does the roots present and what are the functions of the stem. This all you know. So first, which part is coming? Roots are coming. And then the stem with two leaves. The stem with two leaves. You can even see in this baby plant how many leaves are there? Two leaves are there. So the next part is only our baby plant. It has the roots inside and two leaves are up. So this is your baby plant. From a seed, this baby plant grows. Understood, children? So that is the role of seeds in any plant. If the seeds are there, then only we can grow the plants. Now in your workbook, in your volume book, page number 14, he is asking you to identify the type of seed and you must identify it comes under which group. So first one, just for your understanding, only the first one and second one I'll help you. The remaining all do it as your homework. So identify the first type of seeds. Just now I showed you the real seeds to you. So the first seeds are cumin. So cumin are oil seeds. Are we getting oil from the cumin? No. Are they spices? Yes. Cumin is spice. We are using it as a spice in our food to add extra flavor to the food. So you need to tick near the spice or grains or pulses. Near the spices you tick. And how do we use these seeds? How do we use the spices? Yes, we use the spices to get more taste in our food. And next seeds are badam. I showed you the badam. They are also using as spices of what we get from the badam. Are we using as pulse? Are we cooking that? Is it a grain? No, it's oil seeds. Badam are also oil seeds. So what we get from the badam? We get oil and uses. What are the uses of badam seeds? We use them as to make the oil. Right, children? Same way, you identify the remaining three seeds and under which category it will come, you just tick them and write their uses. Fine? And the next question, how is the seed of a lemon different from the seed of a mango? You know you had seen the mango seed and lemon seeds. How they both are different. Okay, you compare them. Lemon seeds are very small and mango seed is bigger. And in mango fruit, how many seeds will be? Only one seed. Whereas in the lemon, many seeds are there. So that difference is you write as second answer. And next, come to the next page. Why do plants need seeds? What the seeds are giving? Why the plant need the seeds? To grow plants. To grow new plants, a plant needs seeds. A plant needs seeds. A plant needs seeds to grow new plants. That's the main role of seeds. So can you write this answer by your own words? Yes. And next, he gave the diagram of germination or the diagram of how the baby plant arrives. You just identify the steps, which diagram, which picture comes first. He has given the big baby plant as the second one. Is it coming in second step? No, that's wrong. So identify among these four pictures which picture comes. Near that write number 1 and next is first is normal seed. You are supplying the materials like air, water and sunlight. And then the next step, what are developing in the seed? The roots are coming out. And in the third step, white color part along with two leaves. And in the fourth step, with four leaves. Okay, that is the baby plant. So you just write the numbers here, but in your notebook, you draw the diagram of it. Okay, and the last one, very important. If you write this answer by your own, definitely we can understand that you understood this concept well. You got your lesson. Okay, so what you all need to do in last question, imagine you are the seed of an apple and write what will help you once you are sown in the soil. Imagine that you are as an apple seed or any seed, whichever your fruit, you choose yourself as that seed. And if you are sown in the soil, what else you need to grow into a baby plant? You already know the answer, right? So write that answer with your own words. That is your home assignment, children. Along with this, you draw the diagram of, draw the stages of germination. Draw the stages of germination. Germination meaning you write seed to seedling. Seedling or baby plant, both are same meaning. Seed to seedling. Seedling means the baby plant. Don't get confused with the words. Seedling is nothing but the baby plant. Draw the stages of germination. Germination means from the seed, seedling comes. So the same diagram you need to draw in your notebook. That's your homework, children. So understood? Don't forget, complete your workbook and at the same time, draw the diagram in your notebook beautifully, color it and send to me by WhatsApp. Okay, children? Thank you.